Oh! One, two, three.
Let's get them up to speed. They seem fairly similar.
You just have to be very gentle with this thing.
Stops it because it's too much resistance.
Oh, okay.
Stay out of the water. So try and stay out of the water. It should last for a little bit. Oh! Every time we do that.
You both get ripping.
That was full throttle on me. Now I'm low. I'm low now. Yeah. That's it, eh? Right on. Good run. Sweet. So after running both cars for a bit, it's obvious, it feels quite obvious how much superior the engineering is in the Slash, just for handling, the TSM and handling. But I can do a couple of upgrades to the Cheetah and it'll make it much better. All right, thanks for watching.